Good morning, children. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn a lesson how computer works. Okay, this is your first lesson how computer works. The computer works in three ways. Okay, input, process, output. The three process. Now we'll take some live example. Okay, for example, if the bread is bread toast. When we are doing toast, okay, the bread what we insert into the toaster is input, and the toaster what the process it do. Okay, that is a process. The final outcome, the eatable bread what we get is our output. Now, I've written in the words, okay, he puts a slice of bread into a toaster and switches on after a minute or so. That toast pops up. That is, if the bread is, whatever the bread is inserted into the toaster is an input, and the toasting process is taking place, that's a process, and the eatable bread what we get is a output. The same way computer works in three steps. In the above example, whatever we have seen the bread toasting process, that in that the bread is an input, and what happens to the bread inside the toaster is a process. The toast which pops out is a output. So the task is done in three steps: input, process, and output. The same way, when we do milkshake, okay, when we do milkshake, the same three steps are followed. When you add milk, sugar, and mango pulp into the blender, into the mixer, the mixer mixer whatever mixes, okay, the mixer mixes the mixture. Okay, these the final outcome, the shake, mango shake, what we get is the output. The other example is a washing machine. The cloths what we soak in soap water is input, and when you put inside your washing machine, the machine washes the cloths is process. Then the washed clothes what you get from the machine is output. In the same way, a cycle, a cycle in a computer. What is the cycle means? Again and again doing input, process, and output. Input, process, and output is a cycle. Okay, like other machines, like what and all the machines you have seen, the mixie and washing machine. The same way, computer also do the same cycle. Next, input is a data, the instruction you give to computer. The data can be numbers, words, and pictures. Instructions are the commands you give to do a task. You can use keyboard or mouse to input data, which is what and all you type through your keyboard. Those are all input. The instruction, what we command, what we are giving to computer is input. And after giving instruction, the computer what the process it do is process. Process is what a computer does to data is is called as process. CPU is used to do this process. The result you get after processing is called output. The output when printed on a paper is called hard copy. That is, if you get in your hand, the printed paper, if you get in your hand, that is hard copy. If you see through your eyes on the screen is soft copy. Now we see the characteristics of computer. What are the characteristics of a computer? Computer never do any mistake. Like human, for a human without mistake leading a life is highly impossible, but for a computer doing mistake is highly impossible. It won't do any mistake at all unless and until if we give wrong uh, instruction to it. Okay, next, it never get tired, won't get tired at all, because it is a machine, so it doesn't have any feeling. Next, it won't forget anything. It will keep all everything into its memory. What and all the instructions we are giving, we are watching movies and music and doing maths, whatever the programs you run on the computer, instruction inputs we are giving in the computer, everything, each and everything will be recorded into the CPU, and it will be stored for the future purpose. In future, if you want the data to be retrieved, or you want to see back or listen the music back, then definitely it will present to you. So it doesn't have any memory problems at all. Next, it works quickly and easily. It do works quickly and easily. All works in a minute, it will be done. For example, if I ask you to do ad, if you ask you to do ad for 100 numbers, if I give you 100 numbers, if I ask you to do ad, you will take at least half an hour, isn't it? But the computer won't take much time at all. It will immediately do all these sums in a minute. The moment you click enter, the same minute the answer will appear in front of your eyes. That quick it is. It is like in a flash of movement it will do all the wonders. Next, I cannot think on my own. Computer says I cannot think on my own. It means it doesn't have any feeling. The instruction what you give, that only it will follow. Okay, it won't think on its own. If you ask what is 2 plus 3, it will give you only 5. That's it. It won't give you, it can be added like 1 plus 1 plus 1, or it can be added 1 plus 4. The other options and all it won't give you, because it won't, doesn't have that thinking ability. So whatever the numerical options, the arithmetic and logical, that kind of questions you ask, only for the question particularly it will give you the answers. That's it. Otherwise, it doesn't have any own thinking. Next, it I do only what you ask me to do. Means it will give you the answer what the question you are asking. That's it. I do not have any feeling. I've already told you, I explained you about this. Computer doesn't have any feelings at all. I can do many things at a time. Have you ever seen your mother doing works in kitchen in the morning time, when you are preparing yourself for school? That time your mom will hurry burry, she'll do all the works. She'll do cooking in one side, and she'll prepare you, and she will comb your hair, she will make you wearing your uniform, and she will put in your the socks and shoes, and she'll keep arrange your books into the bag, and at the same time she'll pack the lunch, and she'll give you in between some advices to don't talk with them, don't talk with this guy, don't talk with them, and all. She'll give you many advices, and she'll give you some instruction to take down, and be careful with the class, be attentive, and all she used to give. In a minute, in within half an hour, she'll do minimum 10 to 15 works. The same way the computer also do many works at a time. One you can listen music. Other thing, a special character feature with the computer is speed. Its speed is matchless. You cannot match its speed with anyone or anything. A computer works much faster than we do. It can also do many things at the same time. It works in a fraction of minutes. In a flash of a second, it will finish all your works. So it is very speed, and it has mass storage. Computer has large memory it can store large amount of data. Even 100 movie, if you give, it will store and keep it with it, and it will give you in future purpose. And accuracy, a computer does not make mistake, it makes mistake only when you give wrong instruction. Computer do not make any mistake at all. It won't do any mistake unless and until if we give wrong question, then we will get a wrong answer. Next, work. A computer does not get tired all the time. After going back home, many of you would be feeling tired. You would like to take a small nap, you would like to take small sleep, but computer won't do like that. Computer very active from the whole day. If you ask it to work also, the moment it's when the computer starts, that time the activeness what computer possesses, the same activeness would be there till the end, till you switch off your computer. The same activeness will be continued. The computer is that much active. Sometimes people steal data from computer. They use the stolen data in a wrong way. Some people put harmful thing like virus in a computer. They harm or store data. It means sometimes the people who sits in a computer may steal data from a computer, from important information like passwords and other details. They can steal from a computer. These possibilities are there. And some time computer, if you work for a long time on a computer, may causes some problem, like pain in their eyes, neck and hands can be felt. So these are all the disadvantages of a computer. Now kids, that's all for the day. I have taught you all important, what and all has to be taught important from this lesson. Information, all everything I have given you. Content also I took from the book only. You can very well go through the contents, because all contents, each and every line, each and every words I took from your textbook only, except the pictures restored from your textbook. So go through this video again and again, so that it will stick in your mind. Thank you. Bye.